In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove video background noise in CapCut in less than 1 minute. So first, I need to import a video. So I input this video. So drag and drop on timeline. Now you need to click on audio. If I zoom here, click on audio, then scroll down. Then you can see reduce noise. So after reduce noise, so I can play this video. The thousands of people who turned up at সংসদ Bhavan for the state of maybe lots of noise have in video, so just click on reduce noise. Wow, it's working. Right, again the playing. The thousands of people who turned. So this is extremely good quality right now. So first, drag and drop this video timeline. Then, if you have lots of selected clip, just select which clip you want to remove background noise. Then click on audio. Then click on reduce noise. Then export your video. So this is the method. You can remove your video background noise in CapCut PC. So if you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel. Second, take care. Goodbye.